Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up TikTok, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then go on to edit profile, and once you're on here you should see the option to add your website. So if you click on there, this will just give you the option to paste in a website. So for ease, I'll just go onto my YouTube channel. Then just copy the link for that channel. So once you come onto here, just paste in the website that you want. So it could either be your own website, an affiliate website, or anything else you want to have on your bio. Then just select save on the top right. And once you go back into your profile, you should see this clickable link. You may need 1,000 followers in order to get this feature, but if you just click on the link, as you can see, it'll just take you straight to that site. So that's how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. Thanks for watching.